What's going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. So finally but not least, the last stock that I'm breaking down for this morning is GME or GameStop, you guys. If you haven't checked out the other previous videos that I made this morning, go ahead and check them out. I did Tesla, NEO, Sundial, and I forgot the other one. I did some other one. But let's go ahead and dive in. So we're up almost 2% for the morning, you guys. The market's been open for almost 30 minutes now. So this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we came up, got rejected in this area. We have candlesticks that were rejected in this area as well. This bottom line represents our major support line. You can see that before it worked as support, it was working as resistance over here. We have all these candlesticks over here, and where we came up to this resistance and got pushed back down to this major support line, came up, hit our minor resistance, pulled back down to our major support line. You can see that now we're starting to start this upward trend. However, if we didn't have this minor resistance line right here, I would say that this is a good buy because we are above the trend line. We're starting to create higher lows. However, we have this minor resistance, okay? So if we do come up into this $195 or $197 area, we're going to have trouble breaking past this area, because if we look left, it's been tested multiple times that this area has basically a wall there. And once you have resistance, like I was saying, if you can break past that, it'll work as a floor on the opposite side. So if we want to see and further confirm that we're in this uptrend, we need to see if we can break past this resistance. That'll show relative strength. If we can come up and come back down and retest that level, the $200 level would be a great entry. And your first target would be back up here at the 283. This is for a long-term investor, so you would obviously wait if we can break past this resistance first, though, because we can come up, test this level, this resistance, and get rejected as we have back here. So it's definitely possible that we can come up to this level, get rejected, and push back down to our next major level of support, that being that the $125 level. So that would also be another ideal entry. So getting in as of right now would be pure FOMO, the fear of missing out, you guys. We always look for the best, ideal, and safest entry, okay? We're never just jumping into a stock just because it looks good, okay? We apply technical analysis. Sometimes we apply fundamentals, usually only when there's an earnings report. Let me check the volume real quick. So the volume, we're at 1 million. That's not bad. But like I said, even though we're above the trend line, the RSI looks like we were oversold and starting to correct. You have to respect this resistance, okay? You have to. If not, then what's the purpose of that being there for, okay? So if we can break above the $200 level, come up and come back down and retest that same $200 level, that would make your great entry. Have your stop loss on the opposite side of this $200 level. Give yourself some wiggle room just in case there's a candlestick wick that breaks below that, and then ultimately if it decides to want to go higher. And then your first target being back up here at the 283. If we do get rejected at this resistance line, then we're going to wait for the better entry at the $124 level. Okay, you guys? I like to make these videos as fast and as efficient as possible. If you guys could hit that like and subscribe button, it allows me to create this content every single day for you guys. Also, I'm starting a new series where I'm taking $2,000 and turning it into $10,000. Only trading penny stocks. I posted the first video already, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check it out. Excuse me, this dang cough, man. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.